going to make a recipe raw bamboo soup with small piece, cumin seeds, pasforan, bay leaf, red chili and onion, garlic, turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, garlic paste. Now I am adding a raw bamboo soup. Little bit salt and mixing it. After cooking some time, I am adding here little bit water. I'll dry the water. Now I'll add very small piece and cook it for few minutes. Now adding here dry mustard seeds. This is dry mustard seeds. It's being ready. Eat a healthy